How's it going, CC peeps? Today, what we got on Control Chaos is very cool and interesting, and I think you guys are gonna like it. Hey, what we've got on our hands today is an international Harvester Cub Tractor. What's wrong with this tractor? Just to get it running, I had to put a head gasket on. I have a brand new head gasket on there. I put distributor cap, a brand new one, spark plug wires, a new ignition coil, and on this tractor, the person who had it before me had rigged up a starter solenoid to put on this. So I got a new starter solenoid, a new battery, and I bought a new radiator because my radiator is basically fried. So to my surprising, this tractor was kept in very good conditions. Steering's good, the shifting's good. I just restored the seat, sanded it down, and painted it in black. And I went and I welded that toolbox down, and I welded this battery box down. I'm gonna go get me a new battery because this is originally a boat battery, and I don't want a boat battery in my tractor. It's not gonna hurt anything, but I'd rather something smaller so I don't keep hitting my ankles on that. Okay, so the only major thing that I had to buy, the most expensive thing, if you will, was the radiator. I knew I had to get a new radiator because it's just melted. It's melted, and the first time I cranked it and I drove it around, it busted. My conclusion is that the coils were clogged up, and when I cranked it and put it in third gear, too much pressure, and it just busted them all out. So I got a new one, and I'll do a video of that, of me putting it on, and I'll also do a video if I get 50 likes of how I got this tractor and how much it cost me. So now that I've given you a run through of the tractor, let's start it up and give her a drive. Okay, so just a note, if you go and buy a carburetor off from Amazon, it will not connect to your original choke. It will be like this, and you'll have to manually flip it back and forth. That's on, that's off. Time to start her up. Now that we've cranked her and got her warmed up a little bit, let's give her a test drive. So now that you've got your engine warmed up, you want to put your foot on the clutch and put her in reverse. Put her in first. Second. peeps, that concludes our video for today, and I'll see you later.